Hello students, how are you? Hope you will be fine at home. Okay, let's start today's video lecture. So today I will explain you the remaining questions of exercise 4.2. Clear? So today I will start from question number 7. Prove that the value of this determinant is equal to 4a square b square c square. Clear? So what we have to do? We have to take left hand side. So taking left hand side. This is the determinant minus a square ab ac ba minus b square bc ca cb and minus c square. Clear? Now beta see, a square is present here, a is present here, a is present here. So we can take a common from first column. We can take a common from first column. See, b is present here, b square is here, b is here. And we can take b as common from second column. Similarly, c is present here, c is present here, c square is here. So we can take c as common from third column. Clear? So if we take a common from first column, b common from second column, c common from third column. So what is common? A, b and c. This will be common. So if a is common from first column, so a square is here. So one a will be left. So minus a. BA. A is common, so B is left. CA. C is left. B is common from here. So if B is common, so what is left? A minus B, because B square is here and B is common. So one B is left here. CB. B is common, so what is left? C. C is common from third column. So C is common, so what is left? A. C is common, B is left. C square is here, C is common, so minus C is left. Clear? Okay. So you have to write here, taking A, B, C as common from C1, C2 and C3. Clear? Now see, A. So A can be common from first row, B can be common from second row, and C is common from third row. Clear? So again ABC is common. So ABC is already out of the determinant. Again ABC is common. So ABC into ABC, we will get A square, B square, C square. Hope it is clear? Good. So again I am taking ABC common. So we will get A square, B square, C square. So if A is common from first row, so we will get minus 1, 1 and 1, because A is common. So what is left? 1 will be left. B is common, so we will get 1, minus 1, 1. C is common, so 1, 1 and minus 1. What you have to write? Taking ABC as common from R1, R2 and R3. Clear? Now see, we will apply the operation in C1 plus C2. We will apply the operation in C1. So we will get C1 plus C2. See, minus 1 plus 1, we will get 0. 1 and minus 1, we will get 0. Clear? So what we will get? A square, B square, C square. In C1 we will apply this operation C1 plus C2. So minus 1 plus 1, that is 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 1 plus 1, that is 2. C2 will remain same. 1 minus 1, 1. C3 will remain same. 1, 1 and minus 1. Hope it is clear. Now see, here two elements of the first column are 0. Understood? So here two elements of first column are 0. So we will expand this determinant along C1. Clear? So we will write expanding along C1. So see, A square, B square and C square, this will remain same. If we expand along C1, so we will hide this column and this row. So what is left here? That is 2. Now bracket. We will hide this column and this row because this is non-zero element. Clear? So if this element is non-zero, then we will hide this row and this whole column. Then only 1, 1, minus 1 and 1 is left. We will solve this determinant by cross multiplication. This is multiplied by this. 1 into 1. That is 1 minus this into this. So minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus is already here. So it will be plus 1. Hope it is clear. Now see, 1 plus 1 is how much? 2 or 2 is here. So 2 into 2 is what? 4. So 2 into 2 is 4. Or A square, B square, C square is here. So 4, A square, B square, C square. This is our right hand side. So hence it is proved. So we have to write here, this is our right hand side. So it is proved. Hope it is clear to everyone. Good. Students, now I am going to explain question number 8. First part of this question. There are two parts. I will explain the first part. We have to prove the value of this determinant will be A minus B into B minus C into C minus A. Clear? Process will remain same. We will have to take the left hand side. So see, taking left hand side. But the left hand side is 1, 1, 1, A, B, C, A square, B square and C square. Clear? Now see, here all the elements of first column are 1. Clear? So what we have to do? We will try to make most of the element of this column 0. Clear? So how can we make most of the element of this column will be 0? See, we will apply the operation in R2. What? R2 minus R1. R1 is 1 now. R2 is also 1. So 1 minus 1, we will get 0. So R2, we will apply the operation in R2, that is R2 minus R1. Similarly, we will apply the operation in R3. R3 minus R1. Again 1 minus 1, we will get 0. So apply the operation in R2, R2 minus R1, and in R3, that is R3 minus R1. Clear? So we have to write the operation which we are going to implement here. So see, operation is implemented in R2 and R3. So R1 will remain same. So first row is 1A and A square. 1A and A square. It will remain same. Now see, R2 minus R1. So 1 minus 1. 0. Now see, B minus A. Clear? Now see, B square minus A square. B square minus A square. Similarly, we will apply the operation in R3. So 1 minus 1. R3 minus R1. So 1 minus 1, 0. C minus A and C square minus A square. Hope it is clear to everyone. Okay, now see, B square minus A square. This is the identity. A square minus B square is how much? A plus B and A minus B. So we will put the identity here or here. C square minus A square and B square minus A square. So what we will get? First row will remain same. 1A and A square. This is 0. B minus A and B square minus A square can be written as B minus A and B plus A. Understood? Same 0. C minus A and this can be written as C minus A and C plus A. Understood? Now see, B minus A is present here or B minus A is present here. So we can take common B minus A from R2. Similarly, C minus A is present here, C minus A is present here. So we can take C minus A as common from R3. Understood? So I am taking B minus A and C minus A as common from R2 and R3. So what is left? 1A and A square. 0. Beta B minus A is common. So what is left here? 1. B minus A is common. So what is left here? B plus A. 0. C minus A is common. So it is 1. C minus A is common. So what is left? C plus A. You have to write here taking B minus A and C minus A as common from R2 and R3. Clear? Now see, here most of the elements of first column are 0. So we will expand along C1. Here most of the element of the first column are 0. So we will expand along C1. So what is the non-zero element? That one. So we will hide this column and this row. Understood? So we have to write here expanding along C1. Expanding along C1. So beta B minus A, C minus A will remain same. So what is non-zero element here? That is 1. So we have to write 1 bracket start. This is multiplied by this. So C plus A is multiplied by 1. So we will get C plus A. Minus will be here. Now this is multiplied by this. So 1 into B plus A, we will get B plus A. But minus is here. So this B plus A will be B minus A. Hope it is clear. Okay. Now see. A positive, A negative. Cancel. What is left? B minus A, C minus A and C minus B. But see, in the proof, we want A minus B, but there is B minus A. In proof, we want A minus B, but there is B minus A. So what we can do? We can take minus common. So if I am taking minus common, so it will be A minus B. C minus A is here, so C minus A is here. There is no change. Now C minus B, but this is B minus C. So what we will do? Again we have to take minus common from this. If we will take minus common from this, so minus is already here or minus is from here. So minus into minus, it will be plus. So this will be B minus C or C minus A. Now this is your RHS, hence it is proved. Clear? Now it is clear to everyone? Yes, good. Okay students, now I will explain question number 10 of this exercise. We have to prove the value of this determinant equals to 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. Clear? So process will remain same. We have to take left hand side. So taking left hand side. Left hand side is x plus 4, 2x, 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 x plus 4, 2x, 2x, 2x or x plus 4. Now what we can do here? Let us see. If we will add c1 plus c2 plus c3. See, 2x plus 2x, 4x plus 1x, 5x plus 4. Clear? If we add all these three, so 2x plus 1x, 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 4. X plus 2x, 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 4. Means if we add c1 plus c2 plus c3, then all these elements will remain same. Am I right? Yes. So what we will do? We will apply the operation in C1. Apply C1 means C1 plus C2 plus C3. We will apply the operation in column number 1. What operation? C1 plus C2 plus C3. So see, x plus 4, 2x plus 2x. If we will add all these three, then we will get what? 5x plus 4. Same here, 2x plus x, 3x plus 2x, 5x plus 4. Same here, we will get 5x plus 4. Now this 2x, x plus 4, 2x. Third column is 2x, 2x or x plus 4. Clear? Now see, all the elements of the first column are same. 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4. So it can be common from first column? Yes. So taking 5x plus 4 as common from C1. So if I will take 5x plus 4 as common, then what is left inside the determinant? 1, 1 and 1. 2x, x plus 4, 2x, 2x, 2x and x plus 4. Clear? Now here all the elements of first column are 1. Then we will make zeros, most possible zeros in column number 1. So what we can do? Apply R1 minus R3. R1 minus R3, 1 minus 1, 0. And R2, this is also R2 minus R3. 1 minus 1, we will get 0. Okay, so what is left? 5x plus 4 will remain same. But we will apply the operation in R1. R1 minus R3. So 1 minus 1, 0. Now R1 minus R3, 2x or minus 2x. This is also 0. Now 2x minus x plus 4. So 2x minus x minus 4. So 2x minus x is x or minus 4. Clear? Now R2 minus R3. 1 minus 1, 0. R2 minus R3. X plus 4 minus 2x. So x minus 2x. That is minus x or plus 4. Clear? Now 2x minus x minus 4. Then we will get x minus 4. And R3 will remain same. 1, 2x or x plus 4. Clear? Now see, here 2 zeros we will get in the column number 1. So we will expand along C1. So if we expand along C1. So in C1, what is non-zero element? That is 1. So we will hide the first column and third row. Clear? So what will be left? 5x plus 4. This non-zero element is 1, so it will be written here 1. Bracket start. We will multiply this. 0 into x minus 4, that is 0, minus x minus 4 into minus x plus 4. Clear? Now see, 5x plus 4. Beta 0 we can remove. Now see, this is minus x plus 4. If we take minus common from this bracket, so this x will be positive and this 4 will be negative. And if minus is common, so this minus and that minus, minus into minus, it will be plus. So what we will get? X minus 4 or into x minus 4. Am I right? What we can do? We can take minus common from here. If we take minus common, then this x will be positive and this 4 will be negative. And that common minus 1 and minus this, it will be plus. So this minus sign will be removed. Now see what is left. 5x plus 4 or x minus 4 into x minus 4. This will be x minus 4 whole square. So x minus 4 whole square. See the RHS, 5x plus 4 into 4 minus x whole square. But this is x minus 4. So what we can do? We can take minus common from here. Clear? So if we take minus common, so what is left? 5x minus 4 or into 4 minus x whole square. If we take minus common, so minus square gives you positive sign and the sign inside the bracket will be changed. 4 minus x whole square. Now this is equal to RHS. So this is our RHS, hence it is proved. Hope it is clear to everyone. Okay students, now I am going to wind up this video and I will send you the remaining questions of this exercise. So you have to solve that remaining questions at home. Clear? We will meet again in the next video. Till that time, stay at home, be safe and thank you.